Morning, YouTube. This is Will from Cars, Grilling, and Technology. And as you see, excuse my messy garage, but this is my 2022 Corvette C8. It is about 7:30 and we are headed to have a modification done. Out of all of the things I've bought, this is the only thing I cannot do myself besides doing the window tint that we did last week. So looking forward to sharing with you what we're going to do. Stay tuned. We have been driving for about 20 minutes here, and as you can see, there is classic Chevrolet. That is where we're going to have the C8 worked on today. So I will check back with you in a couple of hours with the new look. Well, YouTube, here she is. High wing spoiler installed perfectly by Classic Chevrolet in Ohio, in Mentor, Ohio. So all in all, I think they did a perfect job on it. Definitely want to get some action shots of it. Then this is the high wing without the roof. I just wish that I lived someplace that was warm where I would be able to enjoy this car instead of having to put it away in about a week.